I got this cube from the Dollar Tree. It had a drawer insert that I removed, and that's going to be the bottom. I painted all the other sides in Wise Owl Bowie. And then I'm going to allow this to fully dry. I have two circles. I glued them on top of each other, and then I painted that in Wise Owl Snow Owl. I got this ball knob from Hobby Lobby as well, and I'm going to paint that in the Wise Owl Snow Owl. And then I'm going to let all my pieces fully dry. I took some Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear, and I gave a top coat to the cube. I want this to have a nice slick surface, so that way it's easier to adhere the transfer. Once that's dry, I found these transfers from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut out the pieces that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to decorate each side of the cube. You want to lay this down after removing the backing, and then you're going to rub on top of it using a popsicle stick, and then you can lift that clear sheet and your transfer will adhere to your surface. And I repeated this so that I could decorate all four sides of the cube. And this is what we have so far. I then took the knob and I glued it on top of the wood circles. I'm just using hot glue to adhere it in place. And then I glued that piece on top of the box. I'm going to take my drill and I'm going to drill a hole in the center of the knob. I found this flag at Dollar General and it fits perfectly in the top here. And now we have this cute little stand to hold our mini flag. And I love how this came out. I really hope you enjoyed it. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, wood cutouts, and mesh stencils can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.